A severe weather threat this evening, dangerous conditions across much of the Midwest tonight, thousands of homes without power from storms that have already struck. Scenes like this one, lightning breaking across the sky in Minneapolis, dropping flooding rains. Meanwhile, in the drought-stricken West, wildfires turning an iconic American vacation town in Colorado into a ghost town. Everyone forced to evacuate, but tonight they do believe that town will be saved. This evening's ABC's Clayton Sandell on the newest pictures coming in.
Mother Nature is kicking off summer with a deadly blast. Whoa! Raking the plains and upper Midwest. One woman was killed when powerful storms slammed eastern South Dakota.
We've definitely seen a lot of damage.
The town of Hot Springs bombarded by golf ball-sized hail. Tornadoes were spotted in Minnesota. In the Twin Cities, squalls leveled large trees and streetlights. 60,000 power customers left in the dark. In Canada, floods killed 3 people and put much of downtown Calgary underwater.
This is downtown Calgary, Canada. A state of emergency remains in effect here for obvious flooding. Much of the downtown core has been closed since Friday, and it's expected to remain that way until midweek.
Out west, they could use some of that water. Wildfires have erupted all over Colorado. The worst threatening the small town of South Fork. 400 residents and hundreds more tourists forced out.
The next thing you know, here was 2 policemen came through and said, "Leave now." So they just hurried us all out.
An unexpected shift in wind and terrain is helping keep flames away from homes for now.
It's always a successful day when we have not lost a life and we have not lost someone's home or done damage to private property.
But they are not out of the woods yet. Those red flag fire weather warnings are still in effect, meaning hot, dry winds could still spark a new round of dangerous flare-ups. David?
All right, Clayton Sandell tonight. Clayton, thank you. Summer, of course, just beginning, and meteorologist Ginger Z with us tonight. You say the severe weather threat extends right through the night.
It does. There have been ugly skies all the way from Illinois back through parts of Wyoming, and that's happening as we speak. But let's look at some video from Sycamore, Illinois. This is just west of Chicago, west of a place called DeKalb. That structure just beautiful of the shelf cloud, but with it can come some really damaging winds, and we've already seen today winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. Here's who needs to be on alert still tonight. Anywhere from northeast Colorado through Nebraska, Iowa included, and Minneapolis later tonight too. It's not just tonight, David, it's tomorrow. The slides to the south and east, places like Iowa, into Kansas City, and even again close to Chicago, right on those western burbs, need to be up and on alert watching their ABC stations.
And Ginger, what kind of rain are we talking about?
And that's the other thing. You get 1 to 2 inch rainfall rates, and we're talking flooding concerns, especially places like southwestern Wisconsin that already had issues today, and south and east of Minneapolis. Look out, because more rain coming your way.